Hello everyone. I hope that everybody is doing okay with the difficult situation that we're finding ourselves in at the moment. Our tea time training is designed to be a short break in your day to listen to some relevant topics while you have a cup of tea. So for the next few weeks, we'll be looking at various aspects of fluid therapy, split up into multiple short talks. So the main focus of this week's webinar is to provide information around body fluids. So we're going to look at an overview of fluid composition, movement of this fluid, and the consequences of this movement. So how much of the body is fluid? Well, in an adult dog or cat, the total body water is 60 to 70%. This can be more in the young animals and less in the older or obese animals. One important function of the fluid is the maintenance of blood volume and therefore blood pressure. Another is to act as a transport medium. So in a fully hydrated animal, there is constant flushing of fresh fluid around the body cells. Because the walls of the capillary vessels are very permeable, fluid coming into the microcirculation can then transfer nutrients and gases from the blood to the body cells. And conversely, there was also removal and transportation of waste products of cell metabolism away from the cells. It is important to remember that optimum fluid exchange will only occur if there is adequate blood pressure, which is dependent not only on the heart, but also on the pressure, the presence of adequate fluid in the circulation. On a day-to-day basis, fluid is lost via various routes. So some can be controlled by the body, such as the urine output, but some we have only limited control over, such as loss via feces or evaporation. This is balanced against the inputs of fluid from drinking and eating. Mild disturbances in this balance can be easily corrected in their healthy animals, but problems can occur with some more serious disturbances. The most obvious constituent of this body fluid is water, but what else is involved? Well, there are electrolytes, which is a substance that produces an electrically conducting solution when dissolved in a polar solvent, such as water. The dissolved electrolytes separate into cations and anions, and these are involved in signaling mechanisms. And there are blood proteins, which are present in blood plasma, also termed plasma proteins or serum proteins. They serve many different functions, including transportation of lipids, hormones, vitamins and minerals in the circulatory system, and the regulation of acellular activity and functioning of the immune system. Serum albumin accounts 55% of blood proteins and is a major contributor to maintaining the osmotic pressure of plasma. Globulins make up another 38%, and fibrinogen comprises a further 7%.